My name is John D. Hoffman. I own Diesel Tech Inc. in Freeport. We deal in heavy-duty marine repairs, diesel engine rebuilding, and standby generator service. If you're constantly fighting the dollar, you cannot put your mindset towards making your product or your production correct. So I saw, 75 proposals coming up where I would need a large amount of money. I went to the bank that I've been dealing with for 10 years to get a loan. The terms were not what I wanted. It just seemed to be a much more production than what I was really up against. And I was like, if we can get this money now, I can move ahead, and then 6 or 7 months from now, I'm golden. So the time frame with the bank was just terrible, and the amount of paperwork was ridiculous. Dealing with UCS, I felt very comfortable. I spoke to the underwriter after establishing what the rate was. He was very accommodating, made me feel comfortable, even, wanted to know what I was doing, and we took interest in actually where the company was going and where I was going with it. And, after explaining that, we had an understanding. And how simple could it be? You give them 6 months bank statements, tell them what you're proposing or what you're going to do with the funds, and you're done. So it was a very simple process. I gave them what they needed or what they asked for, and in very little time, maybe 5 or 6 days, I was funded, and I felt confident that I could go back to them, and if I needed additional funding, it would be there.